Hey, what's up guys, this is Shivam and today I'm going to show you how you can install iOS 14. You guys probably know 15th of September iOS 14 is officially launched. Now we can install on our device. Some of you guys don't know how to install it, so today I'm going to show you how you can install iOS 14. Before we jump into the video, let me show you iOS 14 jailbreaks is not available right now. The status is no. As you can see the website here, I'll leave a link in the description. You can bookmark this page. I would suggest if you want to use jailbreak like checkrin, so don't update to iOS 14. As you can see right now, iOS 14 and iOS 13.7 is available. You can downgrade if you are on iOS 14 already. You can downgrade to 13.7. You can jailbreak with the checkrin. I already made a video on checkrin, how to jailbreak iOS 13.7 with the checkrin. In future, there is a chance that Uncover can be jailbroken with this 13.7. So you guys really want jailbreak, you should stay on iOS 13.7. If you already have Uncover or like a checkrin install on your device, so as you can see, you can head over to this video and you can remove cydia, Uncover and checkrin so that you can upgrade to iOS 14. If you are already on iOS 14 and if you want to jailbreak your device using checkrin and you want to downgrade to iOS 13.7, which is currently signed, you can downgrade to iOS 13.7 if you are on iOS 14. So now there is a chance Apple can stop this iOS 13.7 anytime in the soon. So guys, there is a chance you can downgrade as soon as possible. You can use this video. I'll leave a link in the description. You can check out this iOS 14 status. Still, if you wanna upgrade to iOS 14, so I'll show you how to do that. It is quite simple. If some of you guys don't know, you head out to the setting in general and about, you can see I'm running on iOS 13.5.1. if you're on iOS 14 update, just go to the software update and you need to wait some time because it takes some time. It depends on your internet speed and software. As you can see, iOS 14 is quite simple, 2.38 GB for my iPhone 7 Plus, and it's quite easy. But if you don't get this update, you might wanna switch on this update. Like if it is off by default, you need to on it, and then it will check for the update and you will get that iOS 14. Even though you on this and you are not getting it, just make sure you restart the device and you will definitely get iOS 14 update. Now you can simply go to download and install. Immediately it doesn't show you download and install because you need to connect with the charging cable here, and once you connect charging cable, you should be on like minimum 50% and more. Definitely then you will get this download and install update. I want to jailbreak my device, so I am not upgrading to the iOS 14. If you want to update to iOS 14, you can do by this way. This is quite simple. If you are not getting, as I said, you can restart your device and you can turn on that update and you will definitely get it. So make sure you have enough data. If you're on iOS cellular, try to download at like night 11:30 to 12:30 in between, because if you have 1.5 GB, you can continue with the next day data. Otherwise, definitely you should use Wi-Fi to update your device. Some of you guys complaining about how to get over from the boot loop. So one of my device got boot loop issue and I just recover that from the boot loop. So next video I'm going to show you how you can get over from boot loop. So stay tuned guys. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Follow me on Instagram and Twitter, so to stay updated for jailbreak related stuff like Uncover, when Uncover sign, when Uncover revoke. If you wanna stay updated, make sure to follow my Twitter account and Instagram account. I'll catch you in the next video. This is Shivam signing off, and it's always peace.